Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight a preset from the factory presets, third-party creators, Axe Exchange, wherever we get these presets from. Now this week I've got a crazy fun factory preset. Number 376, Fremen's Drones of Arrakis. Now looking at the grid, you can see that the first 7 scenes are set up as chords that are auto-played by the synth. As soon as you switch to one of these scenes, the synth will start playing. The chords on the first 7 scenes are E minor, D, C, B, A minor, G, and F sharp minor. Scene 8 is guitar only, and that is the opening scene for this preset. Now it'll definitely help if you have an FC controller, but it isn't absolutely necessary. You can always use your mouse to switch scenes and Axe Edit, but you won't be able to play through scene switching like you can with an FC controller. You'll still have a blast with this preset though. Now guys, I'm still working out the camera angles in the studio, so please bear with me, but I wanted to make sure that you see my beautiful new guitar that my wife got for me for Christmas. Yes, it's not Christmas yet, and it is going under the tree, but I'm allowed to use it for a few days, so yay, thank you, darling. This is a brand new Paul Reed Smith Custom SE 2408. And check out this color, Ariza Verde. So pretty. And the darn thing sounds great too. Yep, this is my second try at the Paul Reed Smith bandwagon, and I think I get it this time. I had a SE 245 back in 2014, just couldn't bond with it, but this guitar, oh yeah, bonding like crazy. I've already put some of my old gear up for consignment. So if you're in the market for a beautiful 2013 Gibson ES335 Memphis Dot figured in cherry red, give the Upper Bout in Champaign, Illinois a call. They'll be able to work out a deal with you. But back to the preset. Now, Fremen is a preset creator, and he's located at fremenpresets.com. He makes presets for a lot of different modelers, including the FX3 and the FM3. This preset is part of the updated factory presets package that came out with Cygnus, and I'll include a link in the description for these presets. Now, like I said, it opens in scene 8 on this preset. Now, I'm not going to deconstruct this preset, but you can if you'd like to. So right now, I'll just play a little riff in scene 8 with none of the synths. So, let's see, we go to... Okay, that delay just goes on forever and ever thanks to that comp block at the end. All right, let's go through the scenes, starting with one, which is E minor. So there you have it, guys. Fremen's Drones of Arrakis. Now you should go ahead and visit his site and check out some more of his presets, because like with this one, I mean, you can just sit and noodle over these different synth drones for hours. You can just hold on one chord and go on that. You can create different patterns using the different scenes. And I know he has other presets that use the synths too, so go ahead and check them out again at fremenpresets.com. Now this Friday we're going to look at using layout links with your FC controller. You don't want to miss that, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right guys, see you on Friday.